Today we're going to do some sight word review from our Level B sight word list. We are going to study the words had, they, will, to, and all. Let's start by studying the sight word had. Let's spell it. H-A-D. Let's count the letters. 1, 2, 3. One vowel, A, in the middle, and 2 consonants. Let's clap the syllables we hear. Had. Had has 1 syllable. Now let's use the sight word in a sentence. My sentence says, we had a fun day. Your turn. Say a sentence out loud now with the sight word had in it. Good job. Now we're going to get ready to read and write the word had. You can write the word in the air with your finger, or you can write it down on a piece of paper with a pencil or even a whiteboard. Let's start with the letter H. Let's start at the top and go down, back up and down. A, make a circle around and then down on the side. And D, make a circle around, then go up at the top and make a straight line down. Let's read the word had. Now let's study the sight word they. Let's spell it. T-H-E-Y. Let's count the letters. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 vowel, E, 3 consonants, T, H, and Y. Clap the syllables, they. Now let's use a sight word in a sentence. My sentence says, they are kind. You use the sight word they in a sentence and say it out loud now. Let's get ready to read and write the word they. Let's start with our T and go down, then cross over. H, down, up and down. E, over, up and around. And Y, down and down. Read the word they. Let's study the sight word will. Let's spell it. W-I-L-L. Count the letters. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 vowel I, 3 consonants W and the L and the L. Let's clap the syllables. Will. Now let's use a sight word in a sentence. My sentence says, will you come to my birthday? You use the sight word will in a sentence and say it out loud now. Good job. Let's get ready to read and write the word will. Let's start with our W at the top. Down, up, I, straight line down, then add your dot at the top. L, straight line down, L, straight line down. Read the word will. Let's study the sight word to. First, let's spell the word T-O-O. Count the letters. 1, 2, 3. We have 2 vowels here, O and O at the end, and 1 consonant T at the beginning. Let's clap the syllables. To. Now let's use a sight word in a sentence. This sight word to is different from our other one we learned that only has 1 O on it. This to has an extra O at the end. It also can mean also. My sentence says, I like broccoli too. Your turn. Use the sight word to in a sentence and say it out loud now. Good. Let's get ready to read and write the sight word to. Start with our T. Go down, cross over. O, circle around. O, circle around. Read the word to. Let's study the sight word all. Let's spell it. A-L-L. Count the letters. 1, 2, 3. 1 vowel A at the beginning and then 2 consonants L. Let's clap the syllables. All. Now let's use the sight word in a sentence. My sentence says, we are all friends. You use the sight word all in a sentence and say it out loud now. Good. Let's get ready to read and write the word all. Let's start with our A. Circle, then add a line on the side. L, straight line down. L, straight line down. Read the word all. Now point and read all the sight words you know. Here we go. Had, they, will, to, all. We know that learning sight words can help us read and write. Good job.